Hey everyone! Imagine you're driving and suddenly your transmission starts acting weird. Rough shifts, slipping gears, or even getting stuck in one gear. You check the OBD-II scanner and boom! You see code P0960. This code points to a low voltage issue in the pressure control solenoid A circuit, which directly affects how smoothly your transmission shifts. Ignoring it can lead to serious transmission damage. In this video, we'll break down what P0960 means, where to find the sensors, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. What is DTC P0960? DTC P0960 stands for Pressure Control Solenoid A Control Circuit Low Voltage. This means the Transmission Control Module, TCM, has detected that the pressure control solenoid A is receiving lower voltage than expected. This solenoid is responsible for regulating hydraulic pressure inside the transmission, ensuring smooth shifts. When it malfunctions, gear shifts become rough or delayed. Common symptoms of P0960. If your car has this code, you may experience harsh or delayed shifting, transmission slipping, RPM increases but no acceleration, limp mode, stuck in one gear, check engine light, CL, or transmission warning light, decreased fuel efficiency. Sensor and component locations, very important. Pressure control solenoid, A location. Found inside the transmission, mounted on the valve body. Function: controls hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting. Transmission Control Module, TCM, location, typically located near the battery, inside the transmission or under the dashboard. Function: sends voltage to the solenoids to manage gear shifting. Transmission fluid pressure sensor location, usually found on the transmission casing near the fluid lines. Function: monitors fluid pressure and sends data to the TCM. Wiring and connectors for the solenoid circuit location, runs from the TCM to the pressure control solenoid inside the transmission. Function: transfers electrical signals to regulate shifting. What causes P0960? Common causes include: 1. Low transmission fluid, causes pressure loss and erratic shifting. 2. Faulty pressure control, solenoid A, sticks open or closed. 3. Wiring issues, corrosion, loose connections or shorts, leads to low voltage. 4. Weak battery or failing alternator, causes unstable voltage supply. 5. Malfunctioning TCM, fails to regulate pressure properly. Step 1. Check the transmission fluid. Low or dirty fluid can reduce hydraulic pressure. If dirty, flush and replace with fresh ATF. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for broken, loose or corroded wires in the solenoid circuit. Fix any damaged connections. Step 3. Test the pressure control solenoid A. Remove the transmission pan to access the solenoids. Use a multimeter to check resistance. Should be 10 ohms. If faulty, replace the solenoid. Step 4. Check the battery and charging system. A weak battery or bad alternator can cause voltage drops. Test the battery, should be 12.6V+, and alternator output. Step 5. Scan and reset the TCM. Use a diagnostic scanner to reset the transmission control module. Drive the car and see if the shifting improves. Step 6. Clear the code and recheck. After repairs, erase the code using an OBD-II scanner. Test drive the car to ensure normal operation. Final words. If your car has P0960, it means the pressure control solenoid A is receiving low voltage, affecting transmission performance. Fixing this issue early will prevent further transmission damage and restore smooth shifting. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0786, shift timing malfunction. P0787, shift solenoid low voltage. This is IG Garage, your trusted source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.